There's a place where the Indian Ocean embraces the land, where every step invites you to discover the unknown. An island that pulses with wildlife, sacred temples, and flavors that dance on your tongue. The ocean breeze laced with incense from an ancient shrine. Here, you don't just travel, you feel, you lose yourself to find yourself. Among mist-covered mountains, wild elephants, and age-old rituals, the unexpected becomes the everyday. Get ready for a sensory adventure, to dive into the unknown, to connect with something greater, where the world turns into experience and every moment echoes in your soul.